Hello everyone, you are welcome on Errors Overflow. Today I will use Cloud Security tool, and that is for that I have created one application, and this application is using some security issues are there into that. And also I have uploaded this application on GitHub. So to use this application, I have in code in my local, and I will use this. First, I will use model, and model I will use model I will use Opus 4.6. So it is showing set Opus model to Opus Cloud Opus 4.6. So now I will do is I will do security and review. It worked for 2 minutes and 27 seconds, and it is finding here 16. Okay, and all with description. You can see severity also is there. So SQL injection in login, in search, OS command injection. So all the things are here. So this is all described. Yeah, this is nice. So this is how we can use cloud as security tool, security review. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Errors Workflow.